those of you that may need to access multiple versions of Office 365, maybe you have your personal version, maybe the family has a free version, and maybe you have one at work, or you're helping other people, or maybe you're a guest in another environment. The way to keep all of that straight is to use Chrome. Now, it does not, what I'm going to show you today does not work in Edge. So Chrome really does a great job, and it isolates all of the information. So notice here I'm on Jeff Lush at msn.com, and we're just jumping right into this, by the way. So we're going to talk about how to set this up in your environment. But here, I can go ahead and log on here, and I'm going to go to office.com here as well. Okay, now notice here that I have two versions of Office 365 running, both of them using Chrome. Notice this one, two different logos. That one's on Lush Advisors, this one's on MSN. And when I operate within these two environments, they are going to operate independently. I don't have to worry about, hitting Teams, for example, in this environment and hitting it in this environment and them not logging out correctly, or it's a nightmare sometimes. So the easiest way to get around this is to use Chrome. And Chrome does a great job and allows you to set up multiple profiles. So let's walk through how to do that. So here we're just going to set up our new profile. And notice here that I can set it up with an account or without an account. For simplicity, I'm just going to set it up without an account. Notice here that I can pick anything I want. Let's turn it to... I wanted to do a bright color. They don't have a lot of bright colors, so let's just do it this one, okay? And we're just going to type in here video, okay? And just hit done. Now I'm setting up, this is setting up a brand new Chrome profile. So if you have Chrome, if you don't, just download it. Just if you don't have Chrome, just go to Google and say download Chrome, okay? And then it's going to take you right there. Okay, and then we're going to hit done here. Now it's done, okay? And we're going to go ahead and close this. Now watch when I open up Chrome again from my browser. Notice here that I have one more, and do you see it right there? Video. That's the one we just created. So if I click on this one, it's going to give me some of the introduction stuff and things, right? But if notice, I don't have anything like I have here. I'm going to type in office.com again, and to this version of Chrome, it just sees it as a brand new opportunity for Office 365. So if you're, for example, maybe you have maybe you're a guest into somebody else's environment, this is a great way to do this. You'll keep your work isolated 100% on your tenant and isolated on their tenant. And as you can see here, I can have multiple Office 365 environments open within my environment. So, and to open up Chrome, I just want to select it from here, right? I just want to say Chrome and click on the app itself, and then it's going to pull up all of these. When I want to delete them, I can just go in here and hit delete, and then I can delete that, and it's going to delete. Notice what it's deleting: my browsing history, my bookmarks, all of the cache, right, that goes along, C-A-C-H-E, it's a computer term, cache, that goes along with it. So that's how you do it. That's the best way to do it. Use your new logon here, and you'll be in good shape. Good luck.